So what they have with product defect or product liability law is called strict product liability, which means that if the plaintiff is comparatively at fault, which happens in other types of cases, if they're partially at fault, it does not reduce their compensation. The way that they cannot get compensation is if they, what's called misusing the product. And even there's exceptions to that. As long as it's a foreseeable misuse, it still fits within the product liability law. So if somebody is using a tire to, with 4 tires to drive with their car, and they overinflate the tire and it bursts, the defendant would come in and say, oh, you misused the product because you overinflated it. We would say, no, that's a foreseeable misuse. Now, if the person took the tire off the car and went whitewater rafting with it and it burst, then the defendant would say that's not the purpose of our tire and that's a misuse. So that's where it kind of falls into play, that you can have the product liability, the issues, and then the defendant will say it's a misuse, but there's no comparative fault when somebody's using the product for its intended purpose or even foreseeable misuses.